In this video, let us learn how to develop the Swagger. Since we have developed all CRUD operations of department, so now we will start developing our Swagger file now. So in order to develop the Swagger file, first stop the server now. Go to launch the Chrome browser. Navigate the URL springdoc.org. It provides, this is the official website, spring.open API. So it provides, we need to specify this particular one. So to make sure whether it is a valid, whether it is the latest one or old one, the artifact name. So we can go to MVN repository and search for the same artifact ID. We can click on this because this is from the same package. Click on here. Yes, 2.8.13 is available. So select this particular one and copy the same thing and go to our project, Spring Boot project, open the pom.xml file. Under dependency, we can just paste this particular one. So once after paste this particular dependency, the which one means org.springdoc. So save this particular project and start running our Spring Boot project. Start running our Spring Boot project. Now open the browser. Once the server is starting up and running, so go to browser and navigate the Swagger URL. That is HTTP, in our case localhost :9091, and we need to develop Swagger -UI index.html. We need to navigate this particular URL. So it is providing white label error page. What is the reason it is providing white label error page? So now we need to investigate what is the reason it is providing localhost :9091 SWA Swagger-UI index.html. What is the reason it was provided white label error? So again go to the project. We can stop this particular server and go to Maven. Because since we added a dependency, we can make it as a download source and documentation. And afterwards we can sync all Maven projects. So currently it was resolving the dependency in our current project. Again, we can restart our project, Spring Boot project. So we will navigate the same URL one more time. In this case, it should display the Swagger page. Yes. Now if you can enter, now it should display the Swagger URL, Swagger page. We'll see now whether the execution has completed. Yes, it has completed. Again, we can go here. Yes, it was showing the Swagger. So now, if you can go to Postman, post request, try it out. You can provide, remove the ID. You can provide, suppose I need to provide health, healthcare, and city name is Bangalore. I'm just providing BANGA, Bangalore. I'm just providing. Yes, it was created a request in the server. Now, if you can ID card 5. So we'll go to database and we'll investigate whether the department number 5 has got generated. Yes, got generated. It is the healthcare. Now again, if you can go to Swagger, so try it out because we can able to display a specific retrieve or fetch a specific department ID 5. Yes, it was fetching. So now we would like to modify. So which one you need to modify? Fifth one we need to modify. So fetch. Fifth one, the same thing we can copy and we can provide it here because you don't need to provide updated date. That's not required. Just provide here. So now we can provide healthcare and hospitals. The department healthcare and hospitals. Again execute. So again, if we can go there, so it is telling bad request. So why it's telling bad request? Yes, because of this particular comma. Again, if we can execute, it will become successful. Again, go to database and execute. So healthcare changes to healthcare and hospital. So now the last one called which one means? So get all. Again, if we can run including 5, it is going to display healthcare and hospital. Suppose you want to delete. Again, go here. So which one means the fifth one only we need to delete. Provide the ID card number called 5. Department number 5 you need to provide. So it's clearly telling the department ID 5 has deleted from the database successfully. So this is the way we can able to develop this Swagger and we can able to use the Swagger. This is the document. So this document only we can provide for QA for documentation purpose because QA can refer the same Swagger file and they can start writing the test cases. Thank you.